Hello guys and welcome back into new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to refund a Shopify order after delivery. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically, we need to go to our order menu and then we can start operating on our orders. For that, I'm just going to create this order or tutorial. For my products, I have only some. So we can choose, for example, this product and collect payments. From here, I'm just going mark as paid, and we can do that this is paid. So now I'm going to have an order, and from there we can fulfill it. And after fulfillment, there is the delivery, and from there we can deliver, add tracking, so it is fulfilled, and let's add some tracking number or whatever. And from here, I'm going just to save and it is fulfilled. So from there, we need to start the return process because it would be delivered. So after fulfillment, we will have the return process so we can start refunding the person. So after we receive our delivery or our exchange, so as you can see, we need to have our package that has been returned so we can refund the customer. So we click create return. So we need just to add the tracking number and add some informations. So I'm just going to add like that and create the return. And after the return in progress, as you can see, we can restock and then we can start refunding. We can refund the customer. So basically, we can go from here. You can find your. So basically, you go when the products is in return in progress. As you can see, it has been fulfilled and then it needs to return. You click on refund and then you will refund the amount of money and then you will wait for the element to return and then you will close the return, and after that you will have your own element that has been returned successfully, and you can archive this order or just leave it in your records. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.